I have this old fan. I mean, it's a really old fan, and the power knob. This knob is kind of loose, and it doesn't always work, and it kind of spins. I tried to fix it, but I didn't. So what I did was, I went online on eBay, and I found what I believe is the exact same thing. So we're gonna try to switch it out today, okay? So first we got to disassemble the fan. The first part should be easy. I'll wait till we get in here to start filming again. I got it separated. I got the screen taken off, and now we're gonna. This just comes right off. You can use a little tool, but the last time I was able to pull, like, this knob just comes right off. And I think I got this to come off last time. This is the rotator thing. Prying these little things with a screwdriver. So I'm gonna get a flat blade and pry that up. And I got it up. I pried on a little bit to release the little notches in there, and off the little piece here, and it popped up, and it looks like it's not too badly damaged. Okay, I mean, you should be okay. Now I'm gonna take these screws off the front, and take the piece apart. Okay, and then they just come right apart. Okay, and then this cover, you're gonna have to sneak it around this back part, but you also have to pop this little rear thing off here, because there's a screw on back there too. Like, okay, took the cap off, and there's a screw right there. I'm gonna undo that on the back of the fan. I'm gonna use, it's not a Phillips, it's just a flathead. You need a special safety tool, but if you work it around with a screwdriver, you should be able to get it loose. I did the last time, so I'm gonna just undo it now. And you can take a look. If you want to get a different machine screw, you can, but you can tell that it's got this safety, and I don't have one of those with me, so there we go. And then this cover comes off, and that's where we're going for right here. You can tell that that is the old one, and I tried gluing it, and it's, well, as you can tell, it's coming apart. And here's a new one. I think they're close enough, okay? This was only like $2, okay, or less on eBay, but it just took forever for it to come from China. So I'll do is I'll remove those. These are not, they're just pressed in there, so I'll get those taken apart. I'll show you in a second. Okay, hopefully you can see. The other one fell apart, but this is the new one. So I've lined up the wires pretty much where it goes, and then we're going to shove it into the little holes because they're on little retainers. So you should be able to just kind of push the wire in like so, and it should stay. And that one should push in like there, and that will go. A little bit of force there. The green one should go in here, and you just push it in, and it clips in because there's a metal barb there. And this one clips in. There we go. And then all of it should just stay there on their own. Okay, and then I just got to put it back on the mount with the two screws. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we just have to reassemble it. Okay, so first things first, we have to put the back part back on, like so. Alright, and then we put the safety screw in the back that holds this little piece in the back, and well, with the little cap, that's the screw. Then we're going to tighten the front. Okay, you can see I'm going to put that on. Okay, alright, let's get a little tighter. Then we're going to put these screws back in. Okay, that's tight. And let's see. Let's make sure this is tight. Okay, a little bit more maybe. Okay, that's tight. And we'll put this cap back on. Okay, this piece goes in here and it clicks. So just push it in until it clicks. Yeah, just like that. And then push it up and down. Still works. And then push this in like so. And it should fit the same. Alright, it's all back together. I had to shave that little post a little bit, but you can tell that the dial sits flat now. And when I turn it on, there we go, low, medium, and high. So I got it back, it works fine, okay? And I'll put the front cover on it, and we'll call that fixed, okay? So good luck on your project, okay?